My name is Brandy with Brushed by Brandy, and today we're going to use the new Dixie Belle gilding wax. The new formulation of gilding wax is super soft and comes in these little pots. I'm just using a small stencil brush and the Dixie Belle Morocco stencil to add a design to the drawer fronts of these peekaboo drawers. This is actually a custom order piece for a customer, and she preferred to have a more tame design on the front, but I find these peekaboo drawers are the perfect option for adding something fun on the inside. I'm using gilding wax in gold. This will tie in with the gold hardware on my piece and some gold accents that I also added to the front of it. I love stenciling with gilding waxes because the product's a little bit thicker. You don't have to worry about bleed through underneath your stencil. I did spray the back of my stencil with a little bit of spray adhesive. I used Super 77 spray adhesive by 3M. I just put a light coat on, and then when I lay it down onto my drawer fronts, it doesn't move around while I'm stenciling. I'm using a circular motion to apply the gilding wax in the holes of my stencil, making sure I get complete coverage as even as possible. Once I've covered the entirety of my drawer faces with my gilding wax, I can go ahead and pull my stencil back and reveal the magic. My stencil was too small to cover these little tiny drawer edges, so I'm just going to find my pattern repeat and place it back down again and get those spots that I missed. It's really easy to find the pattern repeat in this Morocco stencil. The spray adhesive still has enough tack that I don't need to reapply when I reposition my stencil. My stencil design now continues seamlessly to the edge of my drawers. Next, I'm going to reposition my stencil again because there's a spot on one corner that I just felt was a little bit too light. This process is so forgiving, no smearing or smudging when I reposition my stencil, and I can just move it and fill in any spots that I feel are too light. And now here's our finished piece. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll click the subscribe button, and you can find more Brushed by Brandy on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest as well.